Hey everyone, it's Dr. Jess. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss isotonic, hypotonic, and hypertonic solutions. If you're new here, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploaded videos. Okay, let's get started. Let's go over what happens when a red blood cell is placed in a isotonic versus a hypotonic versus a hypertonic solution and what happens. So a isotonic solution means that the solution has the same osmotic pressure as the cell. So if we place a red blood cell in a isotonic solution, then the cell will retain its volume. Nothing will happen. The reason for that is because there is an equal flow of water in and out of the cell. Why is that? Again, because there is the same equal osmotic pressure. Now, examples of isotonic solutions are 0.9% sodium chloride and also 5% glucose solution. So these two are considered isotonic solution. Now let's talk about hypotonic solution. So a hypotonic solution has a lower solute concentration than the cell. So if you place a red blood cell in a hypotonic solution, what will happen? So the flow of water will go from the solution into the cell. So think about it. Why is that? Because the solution has a lower solute concentration. So the water will go inside of the cell. So what will happen? The cell will swell as it starts to gain water and possibly will burst. So this process is called hemolysis. So again, hypotonic solution, that means lower solute concentration. Water will go inside the cell, cell will burst, and that process is called hemolysis. Now, let's look at hypertonic solution. So in a hypertonic solution, the opposite will happen. So a hypertonic solution has a higher solute concentration than the cell. So then what will happen if we place a red blood cell in a hypertonic solution? Where will water flow? So water will flow outside of the cell. So can everybody see how that happens? So the solution has a higher solute concentration, so water will flow outside of the cell into the solution. So that's in an attempt to make the concentration, the solute concentration equal between the cell and the solution. So water will flow outside of the cell into the solution. So then what will happen? As the cell is losing water, the cell will shrink, and that process is called crenation. Let's look at a practice problem together. Describe if the following solution is isotonic, hypotonic, or hypertonic. And we have 0.2% sodium chloride. So I'm going to give everyone 5 seconds. Write down in the comments if you believe that this solution is isotonic, hypotonic, or hypertonic. If you wrote hypotonic, you are correct. So remember, we said that 0.9% sodium chloride is isotonic. So any lower concentration than that is going to be hypotonic. So then 0.2% is lower than 0.9%. So that's going to be a hypotonic solution. Now, the second question, will a red blood cell placed in the solution undergo hemolysis, crenation, or no change? Now, we already said that the solution is hypotonic. So again, what happens in a hypotonic solution when a red blood cell is placed in a hypotonic solution? Well, we said that water will flow inside of the cell will burst, and this process is called hemolysis. That's it for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.